Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hulk from Hulk Option Services. So, today I am going to talk on what exactly is an Iron Condor. Just before starting, I would definitely like to say that this is not a beginner level strategy. I'm expecting you guys are familiar with strategies like put spreads, call spreads, both on the debit side as well as the credit side, because this is going to set the foundation on understanding the core concepts of Iron Condor. So let's not waste time and dive into understanding on what exactly is an Iron Condor. So when setting up an iron condor, you would simply sell a credit put spread and at the same time sell a credit call spread. What do you do in a credit put spread? Simply buy out of the money put and sell near the money put to collect a handsome premium. Exactly the same on the call side. You will sell near the money call and buy out of the money call again to collect a good amount of premium. The idea is to retain the premium when the option is closer to expiry or expired. So let's discuss why would one choose an iron condor. I personally like to choose iron condor on range bound stocks when I am sure that the stock wouldn't go beyond a certain well-defined range. That also implies that I am directionless or pretty neutral on the stock. I would love the theta to decay in my favor. That means I get to retain the premium as the option approaches expiry and the stock doesn't move. This is a strategy with a well defined risk. So you know in advance how much you are going to lose. So it's a pretty safe bet in that case. I generally try to scan for overvalued options that implies options with higher IB than normal. And this is possible due to events such as earnings. All right, it's time to take a look at an iron condor example. So I'm choosing Tesla for this example. Let us assume that the current price of Tesla is $500. So my expected outcome is that Tesla would trade anywhere between 450 to 550 by this Friday. So I'm talking about a weekly option expiry. So I'm just drawing this timeline where I'm plotting my legs on the put side and the legs on the call side. So clearly you could see the lower leg at $400. I would generally buy a put there and sell a put at 450. I'm marking my lower range out here and collect a $5 credit. Exactly the same on the call side. I will sell the $550 call and buy the 600 call and collect another $5 of credit. So my max profit is the $10 credit. While my max loss is the width between the two legs, that is $50. And the credit that I collected is $10. So I could lose $40 per contract. So obviously the risk reward ratio is not that great, but my probability of win is really high given the stock remains between 450 to 550. So the key takeaways from Iron Condor strategy. First of all, I strongly think the win rate is really high on this strategy, and I have had a higher win rate on it. So that's the reason I could strongly recommend this for strategies with a higher win rate. I feel these strategies are mostly safe income generation strategy, although your money is locked as a collateral, but still is better than taking risk on simply buying out plain calls or puts. So I think it's a pretty safe bet. IV crash and time decay always favors an iron condor strategy. So these strategies are good candidates where you expect the IV to die off after a certain event, such as earnings. I generally target to get out of the market at 50% because any unexpected swings can reduce my profit margins. And I have been burnt actually in the past when I was in a profit for 2 days and suddenly like my profit was gone because of a wild swing. I hope you enjoyed this quick introduction to iron condors. Iron condors do have different flavors and risk management strategies in case the trade goes against you. However, I couldn't cover that due to the time restrictions in this sessions. I also provide real-time signals on advanced option strategies, so feel free to DM me or follow me on Stocktwits at Hulk Options or email at hulkoptions@gmail.com. All right, signing off and enjoy your weekend. Bye.